Hello, this is Aaron from OneSide0.net, and we are back again on another new video over here. And this is actually the S23 Ultra, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which has just been launched not too long ago. So let's just quickly go into the what is inside the package, and so on. So as you may see, this is actually a very slim package, which Samsung says that this is an eco-friendly package, and it's a recyclable package as well. So as you can see over here, it's written recycled packaging. So let's just quickly unbox it. And yes, this is the actual device. All you need to do is just pull the tab over here, and this is the phone. Alright, this is actually the lavender color, but other color options are also offered for our market over here, as well as the surrounding markets as well in other countries. So let's just put this phone aside and see what else do we have inside. So let me just pull the tab over here. And yes, you have a bunch of paperwork, the user manual, warranty card, quick start guide, and whatnot. And this is actually the SIM ejector, and also this is the USB C to C cable. Now there is no charger is included. However, you can separately purchase it at Samsung's website, Samsung Malaysia official website, or you can just go to any of the Samsung authorized store or authorized dealer to actually purchase a separate charger for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So let me just put this one side first, and let's further take a look at the phone. So just to reiterate or to repeat again, this is actually the S23 Ultra with the brand new with the lavender color over here. So you also got the 200 megapixel sensor over here, which is just newly released by Samsung, and also announced not too long ago before the S23 Ultra has been announced. So you got the plastic over here, and this is the gorgeous big screen over here that you can get. So of course, the sides over here also follows the similar color accent that you can get from the back over here. So of course, being the starting from the S22 Ultra series, actually, you get the stylus. So for the S23 Ultra, you get the stylus as well. So this is actually the stylus, and you can do quite a bit of things with the stylus. For example, you can actually use it as a remote shutter for your camera. That's one example. And now they make some improvement over to One UI 5.1, whereby if let's say you want to type something on your Google Chrome, you can just type near to the search bar, and then you can just scribble, and you'll be able to search whatever you want just by using stylus gesture, just like writing it on a paper, but the difference is you're writing it on the phone. So we are going through the boot up. Actually, I have pre-set up already, so we should go to the home screen straight. So while waiting for it to boot, this is actually the AMOLED 2x display at 1440 times 3088 pixel. That means you will get roughly around 500 ppi of pixel density, and the whole screen size is at 6.8 inches. So this is actually the gorgeous AMOLED screen over here. And of course, when it comes to processor, this is actually powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. The standard will always come with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. Of course, you will also get the 512 gig variant also upon launch. So in terms of storage, whether you are getting the 256 gig or the 512 gig, you are actually getting the UFS 4 storage, which is almost twice as fast compared to UFS 3.1. So for that, we will have to go through the full review and we'll find out together after that. So as mentioned, this is actually the 200 megapixel camera sensor. This is actually the microphone, and another one over here. So the top one will actually act as a noise cancellation, whether you are making a call and whatnot. Alright, this is absolutely a nice looking device if you ask me. And yes, some might argue that this look similar to the last year's Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and yes, it does look similar, but there is a lot of improvement in terms of internal specification and the camera as well. So oh yeah, this is actually the SIM card slot. So yeah, of course, this is being a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. This is also what we call that, a 5G capable phone, right? So that's pretty much about it. So stay tuned for my full review. I'm not sure whether I'm gonna continue doing this the full review on the video or not, but definitely I will do a full review on the website at onesite0.net. So that's pretty much about it. My name is Aaron. Thank you so much for watching this, and I shall see you in the next one. Goodbye.